Hello and welcome to Edu-bubble. Previously, we have learned the use of line, polyline and circle tools of draw panel and some of the modify tools like erase, trim and offset. Well, in this part of video series, we are going to be familiar with arc tool and its variations. Secondly, use of rectangle and ellipse. And also some of the modify tools like move, mirror, copy and rotate. Later on we will practice a simple two-dimensional drawings. So without wasting time, let's get started. So in this video I am going to start with arc tool. To activate this arc command, you have to press A then enter. Automatically arc options will be activated. Now you can see in this drop down box there are several options are available. I have already made some of the lines and shape to show you how can we implement these different options of arc. So first I am going to show you 3-point arc. If you want to make a arc using 3-point, then you have to specify this particular 3-point. So I have chosen 3-point arc option. And one thing I want to tell you that arc is always created in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so first I am going to click here, then here, then here. So you can see a arc has been made. I have just specified only the 3-point to make this arc. Let us see the second option for creating an arc: start, center, end. So just click on it to activate this command. Now you have to specify the start point. You can see in the command line. So I am specifying the start point. Second, you have to specify the center, and third one is the end point. Okay, so just in this way you can able to create an arc. Let us see the next option. The next option is start, center, angle. So you have to specify the start point, then center and angle. Okay, so just click on it. So I am giving the start point. I am starting from this point, then the center point of the arc is this one. Now I want to make an angle of 60 degree, then simply just click 60 then enter. So you can see a arc has been made which makes an angle of 60 degree in this point. If you want to make an arc in clockwise direction, that is fourth coordinate, then you have to give the value of angle, that is minus 60 degree. Then you can see that arc will be created in opposite direction. Okay, so let us see the next option. Next option is start, center, length. First of all, just clicking on it, I have chosen this option. Then they are asking for the start point. You can see in the command line. So I am specifying the start point. Then you have to specify the center point. So I am giving the center point in this way, and chording distance of this arc. So I am giving the distance of chord here. So in this way you can implement this option. Let us see the next option, that is start and angle. Okay, so first I am giving the starting point of this arc. Always you have to follow the command line. Okay, so starting point, this is the starting point, this is the end point, and you have to specify the angle. Suppose I want to make this angle say 30 degree, enter. So you can see this type of arc has been created. Again I am choosing this option, that is start and angle, specifying the first point and specifying the second point. Then I am going to give this angle of 90 degree. Let us see what happened. Okay, so same chord distance will make 30 degree and 90 degree. In this way this option can be implemented. So next option you can see, that is start end direction. So choose this option to see how to implement it. So just you have to click the start point and the end point. Then if you take your cursor in upward direction, then arc will be made in this way, and downward direction, in this way you are able to draw arc. Okay, and you can also able to change the direction. Okay, so next option is start end radius. So I'm choosing this option, that is start end radius. So you have to specify the start point. Suppose I am giving this point as the start point, and this is the end point. Then you have to give the value of radius 30 units, then press enter. So a arc has been created. I want to tell you this option is going to be used very frequently whether you are going to draw an object. Okay, next option you can see, that is start centered start end. So first you have to choose this option, that is centered start end. Then I am specifying the center point, and this is the starting point, and you can make any angle. Suppose you want to make a arc like this, so just click on this point and an arc has been implemented. Okay, so let us see the next option, that is center start angle. Okay, so first you have to specify the center point. I am choosing the center point. You can you can see that the midpoint of this line is indicated. Okay, if it is not indicated, then you have to click object snap. If object snap is activated, then obviously it will show center point, end point, midpoint, etc. So I am just choosing the start point. Say this is the start point, and end point. Suppose this one is the end point. Okay, so in this way you are also able to create an arc. Second last option you can see, that is center start length. Well, I have to create a line. So first you have to activate line command, that is L enter, and you have to draw a line in this way. Fine. Again I am choosing this option. Okay, center point. This is the starting point, and length of the chord. Okay, so suppose I am specifying the chord length, that is 20 unit. Okay, so you can see this type of arc is created. So distance between these 2 points is 20. Let us see the last option, that is continue. If you choose this option for creating an arc, it will start the last point which you have drawn previously. Okay, you can see arc has been started from this point. Okay, so in this way we are able to create an arc. I think the all options are clear. Moving on to the next tool, that is rectangle. The keyword for this rectangle is REC. Then press enter. You can see rectangle command is activated. You can see in this command line that they are asking for this corner point. So I am specifying this point as a corner point. Then you have basically 2 options to draw a rectangle. One is area and dimensions. I am choosing the first option, that is A, enter. Then I am giving the value of area, that is 1000, enter. Again you have to specify the value of length or width. I am giving the value of length, that is L, enter, say 50 unit. So you can see this type of rectangle has been made. Another option to draw the rectangle, first click on this rectangle command, then specify the corner point and choose the dimensions option instead of area. So press D, enter. Then I am giving the value of dimension. They are asking for the length, say 50 unit, and the value of width, say 20 unit. So you can see same rectangle has been made. Well, so in this way you are able to make a rectangle. Well, the next option you can see, that is ellipse. To draw an ellipse, first of all you have to know the length of major axis and minor axis. Well, I am going to draw a major axis. Okay, you can see ortho mode is on. Now you have to specify the length of the major axis, say 80 units. Then the minor axis, half of the minor axis, say 30 unit, and click on it. Specify the center point and end point of the major axis, end point of the minor axis. Then you can see an ellipse has been created. Okay. Well, you can see only one option is left in draw panel, that is hatch. I will discuss about this option in my next video. Let us see some of the modify tools. In my previous video, I have already discussed about how to make an offset line, use of erase and trim tool. Let us see how to work with this move command. So with this help of this tool, you can move an object from one point to another point. Let's see. Suppose I am making a line. Well, another is circle. I want to move this circle from here to in this point. So first you have to activate move command. Simply click on this. Otherwise, type M, enter to activate move command. Then you can see in the command line they are asking to select object. I am selecting this object. Well, press enter. Then you have to specify the base point through which it is going to be moved. So I am specifying the center point. Then make ortho mode off and placed it here. And the next option is rotate. With the help of this command, you are able to rotate an object clockwise direction as well as anti-clockwise direction. To activate this command, you have to click on it. Otherwise, type RO, enter to activate rotate command. Then they are asking to select the object. Suppose I am selecting this object, then enter. Then you have to specify the base point through which it is going to be rotated. Okay, so I am specifying this point. Now you have to mention the angle. Suppose I am giving the value of angle, that is 60 degree. Then press enter. You can see the line has been rotated. You are also rotate this line in anti-clockwise direction by giving the value of angle in negative. Okay, this is how we can rotate an object. Well, let me show you the another command, that is mirror. Mirror command is used to create a mirror image of an object. Say I am taking this image, that is symbol of Android, as an example. I want to make a mirror image of this Android. So first you have to activate mirror command. Just click on it, it will be activated. Otherwise, press MI, then enter. Mirror command will be activated. So first you have to select this object to make its mirror image, then press enter. You have to choose the reference line, then it will be created. So you can see a mirror image has been created. Another modify tool, that is copy. So to activate this command, you have to press CO, enter, then copy command will be activated. So I am going to make a copy of this Android symbol. So first of all I am going to select this symbol, then pressing enter. So I have to choose a reference point. So I am taking this point as a reference. Then you can see you are able to make and copy. And to deactivate from this copy command, you have to press escape switch to deactivate. Okay, so in this way we are able to a mirror image of an object and a copy of an object. Well, let us start with this practice drawing. I am going to start with this rectangular part. Press REC, then enter to activate rectangle tool. Then specify the start point of this rectangle. Then you can see in the command line that they are asking for the dimension. So press D, enter to give the dimension. Give the length of the rectangle, that is 240. Press enter. Give the width of the rectangle, that is 160. Then press enter. You can see a rectangle is made. you have to make the circle with a radius of 60 inside the rectangle. So activate the circle command. It will be center radius. Simply click on this and you can get the center point. If this center point is not showing, then you have to activate this object snap. Well, if object snap is activated, then definitely it will show the center point of this rectangle. So specify the center point of the circle. Just click on this point and you have to give the value of radius of the circle, that is 60 unit. So this circular part has been made. Now you can see the arc is made here and here. That is why you have to take the offset value. Now you can see two reference line is needed. That is why I am activating line command and starting from the center point, and this line is go horizontally, and again you have to make a line, a vertical line. Okay, for making this arc you have to take the offset value. The value of offset will be 50. Then press enter. Take both side the offset in the same way. Again you have to take offset of 30. Then press enter, and in this way start point and end point of this arc. Okay, so go to the arc section and select start end radius. So start point should be, this one is the start point and this is the end point. Give the value of the radius, that is 72.5. Press enter. So you can see a arc has been made. In the same way, again you have to take the start end radius arc and click this point and this point, and the value of radius is 32.5. So 32.5. Then press enter. So arc has been made. Well, now this line should be erased. So activate this erase command and simply click on this line. Now you can see the diagram is symmetrical. That is why using mirror tool I am going to make this arc in this side and this arc in this side. Take mirror command, select object, then press enter. You have to specify the value of reference line, then again press enter. So mirror has been made. In the same way, again take the mirror command and select the object, press enter, specify the reference line, then again press enter. Well, so this part has been made. So let us make this rectangular part. Okay, again you have to take offset and the offset value will be 90. Then press enter and take a offset line. Now I am going to make this rectangular part with a length of 30 and its width is 130. Okay, so again you have to activate this rectangle command, then simply click on this. You have to choose the dimension, so D, enter. Now you have to specify the length of the rectangle, that is 30. Press enter, and what will be the width of the rectangle, that is 130. Press 130 and press enter. You can see this rectangle is made. The corner part of this rectangle is not sharp. There is a circular part of radius 10. So how can you do that? You have to go this circle section and click on this drop down and take this 10 radius. Another way you can make this circular part using fillet. It is not been discussed. Well, so first just click on this side and this side, then you have to give the value of radius, that is 10. Press enter. So you can see a corner with a circular part has been made. In the same way, you have to trim the extra part. I am trimming the extra part. Well, press enter. So you can see this rectangular part has been made. Now you have to match the center point of this rectangle with this point. Well, what you have to do, you have to move this object to this point. Okay, so that is why I am activating the move command, that is aim enter, then select the object is selected, then press enter and move this object with the center point. So in this way you have to make ortho mode off, and in this way you can make this object. Again you have to make a mirror image of this rectangle to this side. So that is why you have to activate the mirror command, select the object, press enter and you have to specify the reference line. Okay, so you can see this mirror image has been made. Next you have to erase this extra part. So that is why take this erase command and simply click on this line and press enter. So you can see extra part has been removed. And to trim, again you have to trim this side, this side, this side and this side. Okay, so you can see the whole diagram has been made. Please like and subscribe my channel. For more updates, press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.